Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Selamat kembali semua ke program ITLEAD Siri 1. Baiklah, pada petang ini kita teruskan program dengan Siri ITLEAD Talk yang bertajuk Menerajui Transformasi Digital dalam Persekitaran Dinamik Secara Berkesan. Saya bacakan bioda teringkas penceramah jemputan ITLEAD Talk petang ini. Yang berbahagia Profesor T.S. Dr. Rusli bin Haji Abdullah. Beliau memulakan kerjayanya sebagai pensyarah pada tahun 1996 selepas berkhidmat sebagai sistem analis selama 8 tahun di UPM, menamatkan pengajian PhD dalam bidang sains komputer di UTM Johor pada tahun 2006. Beliau telah menerbitkan lebih 14 buku, lebih 160 kertas jurnal penerbitan persidangan dan penerbitan penyelidikan akademik lain. Sepanjang berkhidmat, beliau pernah menerima pelbagai anugerah dan pengiktirafan termasuklah pingat perak untuk reka cipta penyelidikan universiti pada tahun 2018, pingat perak bagi reka cipta dan eksposisi penyelidikan Malaysia MTE 2010, 2012 dan 2014, pernah dilantik sebagai Dekan Fakulti Sains Komputer dan Teknologi Maklumat CSIT UPM sebelum dilantik sebagai Ahli Senat Universiti. Baiklah, dengan ini saya mempersilakan penceramah jemputan Profesor T.S. Dr. Rusli bin Haji Abdullah, Profesor Fakulti Sains Komputer dan Teknologi Maklumat Universiti Putra Malaysia. Dipersilakan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat petang. Salam sejahtera. Salam Malaysia Madani. Okey, pertama-tamanya I would like to thanks for the organizer for inviting me to talk about something related is very important to you as the leaders in the institution that are very close related to the information technology, right? So I was given a chance to talk about how to make sure that IT in terms of digital transformation towards excellence, meaning that how to become effectively. Okay, that is my title. Maybe okay. This is the actual topic was given to me. Effectively leading digital transformation in dynamic environment. We have three keys or three terms here need to be understand. Yeah. Number one, of course, the major things that need to be understand here actually is regarding on digital transformation. Yeah, that's number one. And number two, dynamic environment, because we are dealing with the technology. We're dealing with everything that are moving very fast. Yeah, so these are second thing that we need to be considered. And of course, the last one, how to make sure that those two can be combined and become effectively at the end, right? So that's why effectively leading digital transformation in digital environment, in dynamic environment. Okay. This is an abstract, right? So I don't want to touch about the abstract because I just want to go for before that, this is very important. Learning outcome. Student and lecturers, normally we cannot to forget about LO. Learning outcome. Okay, never mind. I want to skip this. Maybe you're not happy to see this. Too much. Okay, the most important thing that I want to share with you, as I mentioned earlier in my first slide, okay, I want to talk about dynamic digital landscape is the most important. I would consider this one is a hub. It's a hub of information, how to drive, how to lead our digital transformation toward excellence. Okay? I don't want to say that this one is a good one, but however, we can use this one as a part of our guideline. Okay? Because this is based on my research research part, especially when I talk about emergence technology, right? Okay. Dynamic digital landscape is number one. As a hub, number two, we want to know about the key main component, or as I call it as key aspect in leading of digital transformation. Okay, so I have not too many key points here, just only 15, right? So, sorry, yeah, I just 15 only. And then digital technologies initiative. This is very important. When we understand the key aspect or the key component in leading transformation, digitalization in our organization, about 15 aspect. And then we go for the initiative. I have also not too many initiatives that I want to be discussed with you, to share with you. It's only 12. 11, yeah? Yeah, not too many. And then the last one is very important, issues. Yeah, issues and challenges. In order to make sure that these can be done properly, or can be done smoothly, or can be done effectively. Right? So the last one, I have issues and challenges, also not too much, only 15. Yeah? So 15, 11, 15. Yeah? This is the key point that I hope that you can bring back to your home later on. Not to your home, to your organization. Okay? Okay, before I start, let me try to understand some of the components so-called as leading digital transformation. Right? This is the keyword. Leading digital transformation involves a clear vision. That's why, as a leader, we must understand mission and vision. Okay, I'm sure that you have the blueprint for your organization already, right? The blueprint, of course, you have been set up from certain year. Might be from last year to, normally we set up within 3 or 5 years. I'm sure that everyone have it, right? So-called as, what call it, something like My Digital lah. Yeah, My Digital Blueprint. Rangka Kerja Pelaksanaan IT. Yeah. And somehow we call it as ISP, or might be we call it as SISP, Strategic Information System Planning. Yeah? Every organization must have that, because this is the roadmap in order to move. So that's why leading digital transformation, we have to set up a clear vision and mission strategy, number one. For what? For our organization that can be work or to embrace digital technology initiative. Okay? Because we are living in the world of technology. Right? Okay, I think I want to skip this because you can read by yourself. I have provided the slide for the organizer already. Okay? Are you agree with me? Thank you. Dynamic digital landscape. This is very important to understand. Everything that we want to do, we must have landscape. It's something like architecture, right? It's something like architecture or architect. So when we talk about dynamic digital landscape, it is encompass the ever-changing, yeah, and also evolving environment in which digital technologies and strategies operate. That's the keyword, meaning that we are living in the world of change. And that's why somehow you are, or we are, become as the agent of change. Yeah? When I'm talking about the agent of change, we have a song about that. The wind of change. Petang-petang dengar lagu ni baru semangat sikit. The wind of change. Saya sempat dengar masa convocation UPM. UPM baru buat convocation last 2 days. Dia pasang lagu The Wind of Change tu rasa semangat. Okay, forgot about that. Right now, actually, each university or many university, they have their own convocation day, right? Okay, and then that's number one. Number two, once we talk about dynamic digital landscape, it is also involved or include technological advancement. This is the first keyword that I want to share with you. Technological advancement, market shift, regulatory change, cyber security threat, and also so-called a disruptive innovation global connectivity, shifting customer expectation, evolving work culture, and growing emphasis on sustainability and ethics. The last one is very important. We have to work, we have to deal, we have to serve with ethically. Right? This is the main keyword that I want to share to you today. Beside that, beside the dynamic in terms of technological investment and so on, we have, in this context, in order to be more effectively, we have to lead digital transformation in the context of the need of organization that need to be agile. Yeah? So that's why in the software development, I'm sure that you know about agile software development. Yeah? Agility. Yeah? And then adaptability. Yeah? Adapt. And then last one, forward thinking. We have not just to think about what we want to think by today. We have to think by tomorrow, what will happen for the tomorrow and so on. Okay? Meaning that future of our IT. Okay, that is the second one, or the landscape. The third one, leaders. This is our role as a leader. Since we understand the landscape in terms of technological investment, and also some of the needs to be agile and adapt and so on, we have to go as a leader, as a main player for the organization. Yeah? So in this case, leaders must continuously monitor and respond to change in technology, market dynamic, customer behavior, while aligning their transformation strategies with shifting landscape to remain competitive and relevant and also rapidly evolving in the digital world. That is our role. Okay? So meaning to say that the most important things in order to ensure that leading digital transformation, we must have this kind of monitoring and response system. So in other words, I'm sure that you're aware about desktop, right? Desktop, dashboard, that's of everything. Yeah? Especially we're talking about data analytics for monitoring. We're talking about dashboard. Yeah? Dashboard. Okay? Right. The third one. Okay? The third one, this is something that we need to understand in terms of technological investment. Okay? So I just want to share with you, before this, let me share this one first. I think I missed another diagram. Okay. This one. Bibliometric. When we talk about transformation, digital transformation, you can see from here, this is the most important thing, right? Our focus. And then, when we talk about the digital transformation, they are very close to the industry 4.0, IR 4.0. So why? Because this is part of the emerging system or emerging technology. Like what? Like big data, IoT, what else? Cloud computing, yeah? Virtual reality, mixed reality, yeah? And also many others, yeah? Especially what we talk right now, AI, artificial intelligence. I think in order to make sure, I think you fully understand what AI, right? The most important AI that we have right now in our hand is ChatGPT. I say that in our hand. Okay? Okay, can you, I'll give you one exercise to know about ChatGPT. Yeah? Can everyone go for Google, please? Okay? You go for ChatGPT, go for Google, yeah? And then type for Rusli Abdullah. Sorry, promote myself. Promote myself, Rusli Abdullah, and then space ChatGPT. What do you have? Rusli Abdullah, ChatGPT. Can anyone say to me? Harian Metro. Good. You click over there. ChatGPT as what? Sebagai alatan sokongan untuk melestarikan pemerkasaan belia negara. Yeah, that is my opinion about ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay, you click over there. Can you see something? Okay, you scroll down. Scroll until you see something. Yeah. What do you have? Yeah. Okay, never mind. You can read. The most important that I want to share actually is my picture. Anyone have my picture? Ada tak? No, I think at the organizer might be they have. Yeah? Tak ada. Okay. Okay, never mind. Yeah? Okay. Look at me back. Okay, I think this is one. ChatGPT. If you want to know more about ChatGPT, also you can go for my Harian Metro. I'm very close to Harian Metro. And also Berita Harian. Okay, never mind. You go for Berita Harian, Tab Rasulullah, you can see a few things about what I wrote, especially regarding on imaging technology. Okay, right. If you can see from here also, there are a lot of things. The most important thing from industry 4.0 actually is data analytic, right? Big data, artificial intelligence. So these are the kind of so-called as bibliometric map of digital transformation. Okay? Right. So let me go for the key issues or the key aspect of leading transformation in dynamic environment. Yeah? As I mentioned to you, I have 15 things need to be think. Yeah? How many? 15 only. Let me go one by one. I think if I try go one by one, might be take 2 hours. Okay, I try to be summarized about 15. Number one, the most important thing that as I mentioned to you just now is about vision. We must have roadmap. Yeah, our mission and vision. Yeah, in terms of strategy. Number two, we must have a driver. This is called leadership. Okay, leadership. Yeah, we have mission, we have leadership, and culture. We must have creating the culture. What do you mean by culture? The way do we live or do we live in digitalization? Yeah, that is the second one. The third one is, this is very hard to do it. Change management. Especially when we want to do something, we have to change. We have to reform from old to new. Yeah? Especially when we want to encourage people to collaborate. Yeah? To collaborate. Apa yang penting? That's what is very hard. Very easy to say but very hard to implement. Yeah? Apa yang penting? Yeah? That is number 3. Number 4, agility. This is very important. Everything need to go faster, very quickly. We don't want to wait because we are moving in the technology kind of environment. And also agility and flexible, meaning that we have to be more flexible. It's something like what we did just now by COVID, you know. We are not just working at the office. We also can work at home. Now it's not just at home, at office. We can work at anywhere. Remote working, they call it. Yeah? I can work from here. I can work over the flight. I can work at anywhere. At mama house. Mama house. Yeah? Restaurant mama. Yeah? Yeah? We can work over there. Okay. Number 4. Okay, next one, number 4. Number 5, data-driven decision making. That is something like what we want to use AI right now. We are using in terms of push technology, pull technology. It's something like you buy air ticket for AirAsia by using AirAsia, for example, right? We want to buy the ticket of AirAsia, but they try to say that people also looking for transport. People also looking for hotel. People also looking for friends. Yeah? If you want to buy the ticket, you offer everything. So this kind of offer actually is intelligent system. Yeah? Like recommendation. That's why at the end, I will talk about something like to be sustained. Yeah, number 15. But that is number 5. Number 6, customer-centric. Yeah? Customer-centric approach. We work based on the customer. Customer is our first priority. Customer is always right. So that's why today I consider you all as my customer. Yeah? Can we start late? Can we finish late? Yeah? Based on demand of the customer. Yeah? We start late, we finish late. But normally if we ask the customer, start late, finish, that's the good word. That is called smart customer. Yeah? We want to create smart building. We want to create smart house. We want to create smart city, smart university. But also don't forget the customer. We have smart customer. Okay? That is number 6. Number 7. This is very important. Technology integration. We don't want to create the technology, but they are working silo, separately. Now, by using the computer network, in the era of the 5Gs, right now, we can be connected. When we be connected, meaning that we can easily monitor each other. Yeah? It's something like we know where I am just now. I'm here. And also I can monitor someone where they are. It's something like we monitor our flight, by using flight what? Radar. Flight radar application? We just put the flight number, we can see how do they move from one location to another location. Something like that. Yeah? That is technology integration. It's something like, I don't know whether you're aware or not. Now we have IoT. You know the Amazon Fresh? Amazon Fresh is a good example of how we make use the IoT, the integration system. We go for the Amazon Fresh to buy something without interfering by the people at something like the supermarket. I don't know whether you're aware about that or not. Amazon Fresh. Not in Malaysia yet. Yeah? I have a very recent experience, goes to the Amazon Fresh when I went to the London. Yeah? You go there, you take anything that you want, no need to go to the cashier. Just take it and then wait for a while, you can go out. And then they will deduct automatically. And then how do they deduct from your account? They send based on what you have picked up from the gate. Yeah? That is very good one. So where is the people over there? Where is the cashier? No cashier, no assistant. But if you take the goods or the thing that you don't want to buy, put back at the same place. Otherwise, they will charge you. Yeah? This is the integrated system. Integrated technology. It's something like what we did in our university right now. I think we are moving forward to that. I hope that we must more agile, meaning that quickly. Something like our student apply to university. We start from UPU, yeah? And then when they go to the university, no need to ask them to key in anything anymore. Yeah? Just ask them to pay only. Yeah? No need to key in. Previously, during my time, if I want to register for university, I have to key in many things. Yeah? For library, for college, yeah? For scholarship and so on. But now, don't ask anything. Just ask money only. Yeah? Maybe they can transfer early, yeah? Before they come, and then show as a proof. Maybe we can say that, yes, you pay already. You can go and stay. So we can minimize a lot of things. We can minimize a lot of resources, save time, save of everything. So as a parent, when we want to send our children, our kids to the university, might be take half an hour only. Say goodbye, belajar yang rajin, esok jumpa. We can compare during our time to the university, right? They will take half a day. Half a day. Half a day, if we can stay together with our son or our daughter, it's okay. But our daughter is stay somewhere and then wait for a while. Not for a while, for a long hours. Many hours. And this is through my experience. I have not too many kids, only 7. So I have gone through 7 of them. Okay. Number 7. I mentioned number 7, now number 7. Yeah? Well, give me another 10 minutes to discuss about this. Is it okay? So far okay, yeah? Okay, don't be sleeping. Number 8. Number 8 is collaboration. This is I mentioned to you just now. We must be collaborate. Collaborate means when we integrate the system, everything can be collaborate. We are being connected. Yeah? It's something like we do collaboration here. It's not just internally, but externally. Internal and external. Meaning that we do the cooperation for everyone. Yeah? By using what? Now we have cloud. That's why we can be connected. Or we can be easily collaborate. Because everything becomes as a service. We have PaaS. We have IaaS. We have SaaS. We have everything as a service. Okay. And then we have, this is now, the 9th one is about risk. Of course, risk cannot be avoided. But we can minimize. And then number 10, continuous learning. This is very important. Upskilling. Yeah, upskilling is very important. That's why you come here actually, of course, you know already. Yeah, you understand already. But when you come here, at least you learn something. Yeah, this is called upskilling. Continuous learning. In our university, we call it as lifelong learning. Yeah, lifelong learning. Meaning that we learn from, I want to say in Arabic, but I cannot I just remember lahat only. Lahat. Ila what? Can anyone help me? Dari buaya hingga ke liang lahat tu. Jangan sebutlah lahat. Okay. Okay, next one. Number 11. Yeah, number 11 is about what? Key aspect of leading digital transformation. We must understand about KPI. Yeah, metrics and key performance indicators. And then number 12. Partner of ecosystem. This is something related to the collaboration. The ecosystem. We must understand. Because in university, for example, there are a lot of kind of element in ecosystem. Yeah? The ecosystem of the student. The ecosystem of the teaching and learning. The ecosystem of the delivery system like financial statement and many others. Yeah? So that's why in the university normally we have 4 kind of system, the main system, student, lecturers, financial, and facilities. Yeah? I repeat, normally if you talk about university, there are 4 main system or application need to be developed. Number 1, human resource development, student information system, financial information system, and the last one is facility management system. This is the most common one, must be. Yeah? So those 4 should be integrated. Yeah? So that's why, in this case, we can measure in terms of their KPI, and also in terms of their partner of ecosystem. And next one is about innovation. I'm talking about innovation lab. I just want to highlight about lab. Lab means here actually is, I don't know how to say, because we can create virtual lab already. This is something related to the VDI. Yeah? Virtual lab. VDI. Virtual desktop infrastructure. Yeah? The infrastructure can be developed virtually. It's something like we have cloud. Everything as a service. We have infrastructure as a service. We have platform as a service. We have software as a service. So what? Coming back to you, you have to go and think how to be the second last is about what? Customer feedback. That's why we work with the customer-centric before, but we must have customer feedback in order to show us, to give us how we can improve in terms of CQI, continuous quality improvement. And the last one, to be sustained. And also social responsibility, meaning that if you are working in the university, we don't forget about our society as well. Right? Okay, this is key aspect of leading digital transformation. Okay, let me go for the second one, initiative. So what we want to do after we understand this? So what we want to do? Okay, I just want to skip here. I want to share with you about this one. Sorry, too fast. Number 4. All right, this one. Yeah, I just mentioned to you about what? There are 11 digital technology initiative. Right? Number 1 is about digital transformation project. We must have this. Yeah, digital transformation project. If we're talking about initiative, I call it as a project because they have begin time and end time. Okay? So we can define a lot of projects over here in terms of digital transformation, especially in the university, as I mentioned to you just now. We have 4 core or 4 main components of the system, application system normally. Human resource, student information, right? Financial, and the last one is what? Facility. Okay, this is the core one. So of course we have supporting document, supporting application like library system, yeah, like if we have transportation system, if we have security, we have security management system, and so on. And then we go for the second one, e-commerce and also online sale. This is for those who are get involved in sale and buy and sale marketing, something like that. Yeah. And then of course the third one initiative that we can be done in terms of BI, business intelligence, and also data analytics. This is something related. Since we have a lot of database, we can consider all the database that we have as a big data. So when we're talking about big data, don't forget about the basic thing of 3V. Yeah? Value, velocity, yeah? What else? 3Vs, yeah? Variety. I think it's not just 3V. Might be 5. The most important thing is V. First one, value. Yeah? We must create value. And then we have automation and robotic. And now this is very important. Automation. Something like we come to the office right now. We don't want to, to type in or to touch. Maybe it can be scanned automatically. Something like we come to in front of the door. The door, we know who the owner of the door. Yeah? They can open automatically. They can sense us. Yeah? They can recognize us based on face recognition, body recognition. Yeah? Maybe we can talk. Voice recognition, something like that. Yeah? Okay, this is automation and robotic. Yeah? Now I think we are not just looking for robotic. We're talking about softbot. You know softbot? It's something like ChatGPT. Yeah? Robot actually is a hardware. Softbot actually is a software. Of course, if you have the system, you can create the softbot. Something like in CIMB, they have Ava, for example. Yeah. If we use Windows, previously we had Clippy. You know, can I help you? Can I help you? Lastly, yeah, no need. Yeah? You know Clippy? Yeah, something like that. Okay, and then this is another initiative, that very good one. Cloud migration. Everything goes cloud. It's something like, I don't know whether you're aware or not. Previously, we are using technology like for the storage, like CD, diskette, what else? Thumb drive, pen drive, many other drive. Now, no more anymore. Automatically connected and then they will save over the cloud. So where is the thumb drive? Where is the CD? Yeah? We have a lot of CD placed in my university, yeah? In my faculty. I don't know how to do about the CD. Yeah? And then, don't forget, for backup, we have to bring this one. This is for DRP. Yeah? This is, I don't know how to call, cool side or hot side. Yeah? Might be inside. Yeah? Inside the pocket. Yeah? Okay, tunjuk ni sikit lah. Yeah? Thumb drive. Another drive. This is my driver. Tak faham tak apa? Number 5. Number 7, we're talking about data security. Yeah? Cyber. Now we are living in the cyber of world. Everything being connected. We have cloud. We have public cloud. We have private cloud. All are cloud. Yeah? That's why we are in the cyber of world. We need to have an initiative to be protected in the cyber of cyber security. Yeah? And then what else? The 7th one is AI and machine learning. This is something that I mentioned to you just now, ChatGPT. Yeah? This is also something like I mentioned to you just now also, something like we go for Asia to buy a ticket. But they understand your requirement. Not just buying the ticket, you are also looking for the hotel. You are also looking for the transport. You are also looking for the meal. You are also looking for the friends. Yeah? The most important is friends when we take leave. Yeah? Okay. And then IoT. This is something like I mentioned just now also. Yeah? It's something like we develop application for the Amazon Fresh. Yeah? Like Amazon Fresh. No need to use power, no need to use people anymore. Yeah? I don't know how to say that one. Something like our lecturer, we are using right now MOOC. You know MOOC? MOOC. Massive Online Course. So you just imagine for the kenegaraan, TITAS for example, I think one day one university will cater all for the other university. So where is the lecturer? Yeah? Something like that. So that's why you are the IT people is very important. The developers try to develop a lot of software. Yeah? Try to develop a lot of apps. So the apps actually will replace the people. Not replace, to minimize the people job. So otherwise people also not tend to be used anymore. Yeah? So sorry we were born to become as a coder. Yeah? So when we were born become a coder, we want to develop coding. Yeah? So when we develop the coding, so the coding actually will take over the people task or people job. So instead of 10, might be 5. 5 to 3. 3 to 1. Might be only 1 to initiate, to press button. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. And then we have digital marketing campaign. Yeah? This is another one. Something like Grab. Yeah? Everything that our business right now goes online. Yeah? TikTok and something like that. Yeah? And then, of course, don't forget about number 10. Mobile apps. Now we are living in the apps. We are not living in the desktop anymore. All are apps. If we're talking about our human resource, for example, we must have capability to access from our handphone, our iPhone. Apps, mobile apps, right? So that's why in the software development, we have to think about two things. Web-based, meaning that by using www, web-based. Another one, apps, mobile apps. And the last one, of course, we are living in the world of blockchain right now. Yeah, blockchain. If we're talking about market, we are talking about Bitcoin. Yeah? If talking about financial technology, fintech, we are talking about cryptocurrency. The currency is not currency in the paper anymore. Yeah? Something like, who knows, our iPhone become as ATM. Yeah? I can give my iPhone account number. You can see whether your handphone is working ATM well or not. Yeah? Yeah? Everything is over here. Who knows? By using this one also, ATM, for withdraw the money from here. We does not need to touch for the machine anymore. Yeah? It's easy, right? So we go to the ATM, just communicate to the ATM from our handphone, and then ATM will give you the money. From here. Everything from here. Digital. And then you can also test whether KFC can deliver the meal for you or not. From here also. Yeah? I can give my address to test whether you are working well or not. Yeah? From here to my home. Yeah? Everything goes digital. Okay, last one. Datuk was here already. Okay. Let me go for the last one. After that, we have to go to understand this one. Issues. Yeah. There are many kind of issues need to be understand. Yeah. I have not too many. For this one, I'm not in summarize because I want to explain one by one. So since the time is not given to me, I think the most important thing is we're talking about issues and challenges. Of course, number one is very important. Resistance to change. Yeah? Tend to work silo. That is resistance to change. And then legacy system and technical debt. This is another one. We have the old system. We must migrate from old to new. This is another issue that we need to be considered. And the third one is lack of skill, digital skill. This is a part of digital inclusion. Yeah, you know digital inclusion? To make sure that you are happy here, also will be happy at anywhere. Meaning to say that we have to think about internet is ready at anywhere, at any place. This is called digital inclusion. I don't know, the index of digital inclusion, maybe we can test every university are similar or not. I think might be similar. Yeah? Digital inclusion index. Yeah? What do you mean by index of digital inclusion? Meaning that in terms of their accessibility, can be accessed at anywhere. That is first item. Second, in terms of skill. Number 3, in terms of use. Yeah? They have a few lah. The most important thing is skill. Second one is accessibility, access. It's something like we are happy to be in Kuala Lumpur. When we go back to our hometown, we are not so happy. We can't do anything. Just take leave. Yeah? This is called digital inclusion. I think that's all I want to share. The rest you can read through my slide. Yeah? Is it okay? Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Sebenarnya kita ada sesi Q&A juga. Boleh tanya dalam satu ataupun dua soalan. Silakan. Ada ya? Jika tiada, ada ya? Tak ada ya? Alhamdulillah. Saya kira memang sangat-sangat menarik pembentangan sebentar tadi. Jadi kita ucapkan terima kasih Prof atas pembentangan ITLEAD Top Menerajui Transformasi Digital dalam Persekitaran Dinamik Secara Berkesan. Semoga apa yang dikongsikan sebentar tadi mampu memberikan kepada kita satu khazanah ilmu yang boleh kita praktikkan ya.